here we go. L-sit preparation exercises for when you are starting out. It is easier to do this on an elevation. As you see, I am using blocks here. First of all, you really want to push down strongly into the floor, and the way I teach the L-sit is with creating this nice dome in the back. So take some time to find a good position. The aim here is to bring the nose to the knees as much as possible and the knees up to the nose. You can first of all only hold this position with a nice round back, and then you can flex the front foot and hold, and flex the back foot and hold. Next step is to straighten both legs, and again here bring the knees to the nose and the nose to the knees. So glue them together like a magnet. Really round your back, bring it into this nice dome here. Hold the position, and then as a next step you can swing the hips through and hold again, and then you can repeat that.